Hello everyone, I'm Quoc. Today I want to tell with you a story about Stop Snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loudy. Bill and Ben will wake him up. They shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keep on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keep on snoring. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keep on snoring. They play Grandpa's instrument. Grandpa keep on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keep on snoring. They dance Grandpa's music. Grandpa keep on snoring. They styled Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keep on snoring. Bill and Ben are tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. Grandpa, wake up! Who's snoring so loud? He asked. Goodbye, see you next time.